Hi everyone. Tomorrow at my card making class, this is one of two cards we'll be making, and I used the Notes and Totes bundle, but I wanted to give you a few tips on how to make it easier for you to use. This bundle has a 12-piece stamp set that cuts out lots of fun stuff, that stamps lots of fun stuff. And I've used it on this card. In addition to the fun stamp set, there are lots of matching dies that go along with the set. But as you can see, some of these dies are tiny, like the little bitty birds that are on here and the sunglasses. Most of them you can just use our liquid glue for. Or the adhesive back sheets, which come in very handy. But I found that these were so small that I couldn't use the adhesive back sheets on them because I couldn't get the backing off. They were so tiny. So my tip is to use one of our silicone sheets and add a little bit of your liquid Tombow glue onto the sheet, just a little bit. And then take one of our Sponge Daubers, which are easily held with your finger, designed to be held with your finger. And then you take the little bitty die cut, see this little tiny seagull? And all you do is dab your Sponge Dauber into it and then dab it onto the die cut. Now they're so tiny that you can just pick it right up off the Sponge Dauber and add it quickly directly to your project, and it makes it stick. Now you can do the same thing for the sunglasses. The sunglasses die cuts out two different shapes for the sunglasses at the same time, and you can use the leftovers to make another pair of sunglasses. So the ones I've used on this card, you see how the nose piece has a black piece behind it. Well, the reason is these sunglasses are folded on themselves, so you're seeing the cross frames crossed in the back. So what you do for that is take one of the black pieces, if you want black for your sunglasses. Take one of the black pieces, and you can use, if you're nimble enough to use the adhesive back sheets, then go for it. Or if you have a very fine tip glue pen, that would work too. But just in case you don't, this tip works real well. You just take your Sponge Dauber, dab it in there, and dab the glue on your sunglasses and stick it to the base. The silicone mat works real well for that. So there you have it. Easy to do. You don't have to try to pick off the adhesive back sheet, and it works real well. You can use this silicone sheet over and over again. You can either put it under running water, or when the glue dries, you can simply roll it on itself and it'll ball up just like any other adhesive, and that'll clean your sheet, and you can peel it off. It peels off quite easily. Or if you want to spend time running it underwater, that works too. But I found that this tip works best for me. You can also peel it off the top of your sponge dauber so you can use it more often, but eventually it does peel off part of the foam. But you can still use it, it's still good. So I hope you find this tip useful for any of your teeny tiny dies. It certainly worked for me with this Notes and Totes bundle. And I hope it helps you enjoy your tiny little die cuts, makes it easier for you like it did for me. So thanks for joining me today. Bye.